Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I will teach you how to perform literature search. When you entered your master course or PhD course, then you have to perform research project in that courses. Your research supervisor give you a research topic and ask you to perform literature search on it. Literature search is very important because it tells you how much work already happened on that particular research topic so that you don't perform same research again. And also when you collect literature data on that particular topic, it helps you in future to write a review article. So literature search is very important part of your research project. So how to perform this literature search? So today in this video I will teach you this thing. So now you have research topic in your hand, so just open Google Scholar. And in Google Scholar you have to write your research topic. So I will write combrettastatin as anti-cancer agent. So you can find so many research article and review article in Google Scholar. So you can further filter it, like from year wise you can select from since 2018. It will show you how many research article and review article published from 2018 to 2022. And further you can screen from like 2021 or 22. So you can also sort it by date, and if you want to just saw only review article, you can click it here. Now the other search engine to perform literature search is Pubmed. So now click on this Pubmed, you will come on this page. In this search bar you will put your research topic. So you will get all the research article and review article. So now you can further filter based on just you want to read abstract or you want to see full text, and you can click here to search only for review article or research article, and you can look for publication date. So if you just want to see publication from last 1 year, just click on this. If you want to see publication in last 5 years, just click on this. So other thing in this is display option. So how many research article or publication you want to see in per page. So you can make it like 20 or 50 or 500. So now it will show 20 research article or publication on this page. And also you can further filter it from here, like if you drag it up to here, it will show you literature data from 2012 to 2022, and similarly if you will decrease it further, it will show you data from 2017 to 2022. Now you can click on any of this research article, so it will open like that. Here you will find a link where this research article is published, so you can click at this or this. So this is in ACS publication and it is published in Journal of Natural Product. Okay. So if I want to read this article, I can click on this PDF. So it is showing me that if I want to read this article, I have to buy this research article. So there are two types of journal. One is open access journal and other is subscription based journal. So in open access journal, you can read article without paying any money to journal. In subscription based journal, you have to pay the money. Generally, institutes like IIT and NIPER, they've already paid money for this kind of journals. So student of these two institutes can easily get research article without paying any money. But if you are in small university or college and where you don't have access of this research article, and don't feel sad, in my next video I will tell you how to access this article totally free without paying any single rupees. So this was another search engine which was Pubmed. Or you can search directly in various journals. In last video I told you there are journals like ACS journal, RSC journals, Elsewhere, Springer and Wiley. So you can directly search it from there. So I will show you ACS journal, how to search in ACS journal. So open this and put your research topic here. So it will show you all the research article related to combrettastatin published in ACS journal. So the other journal is RSC journal. On your Google, just put RSC journal. This will open, click it here. Then here you will see it is written our journals. So just click it on this. Now it will show you here read and search our journals. Here you will find a search bar. Just put your topic combrettastatin as anti-cancer agent. So it will show you around 205 articles published in RSC related to combrettastatin. So you can read this research article or review article published in RSC. So the other is ScienceDirect, which is also a search engine. Just click on sciencedirect.com and here it is written keywords, author name. You can put anything to search your research article or review, and I put it here, combritastatin as anti-cancer agent. It will show me all the research and review article published in this ScienceDirect. So you can further refine it by year, article types, publication title, and subject area wise. So there are like Springer. These are Springer journals, and other one is Wiley journals. So here in this search bar, you can add your topic and find related article published in Wiley. So this way you can perform your literature search and collect your literature data for your research topic. Okay. If you find today's video informative for you, then please like it, share with your other friend and subscribe my channel. So thank you for watching this video.